Hello and welcome back for my final daily analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 27th of November. We're going to look at the DAX, and equities have struggled in the last few days. You've got Thanksgiving holiday, which has sort of taken a lot of the steam out of market moves, and subsequently I think it's going to continue today. But you can see that the DAX is still struggling to break out on a near-term basis. It is sort of edged higher in the last few days and tried to move higher, but just cannot get the traction for that move given the fact that we've had Thanksgiving. You've seen I drew in a little uptrend yesterday, and that's sort of now been broken by consolidation on the daily chart. You can see these candles are really trying to move higher but can't get through this barrier, which seems to come in around the 13,300 mark, and interestingly pretty much bang on to the tick is which is where we are now. So moving higher through 13,300, you would suggest that we're then sort of pushing through and going to be eyeing that resistance of 13,460. But it's a struggle. It really is a struggle for the DAX to gain this traction. I think it'll be next week how these Black Friday sales come out in the States, whether that gives US markets a boost from the outlook for consumer spending, and maybe that has a trickle through into European markets, and maybe that drives the DAX higher. That could be the next sort of factor that moves equity markets. But to be honest, at the moment, the DAX is really struggling. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. You can see that struggle. It's gone sideways. It's moved through that uptrend and struggling through momentum, isn't it? On the hour chart, you can see similarly consolidation essentially. And you've got this support. I'll get the crosshair. You've got this support that you've got coming in 13,235 area, 13,245. Basis of support in the last few sessions. If you moved below that, you'd start to think, well, is that a move that's then falling over again? Essentially, this hourly RSI has been propped up around the 45 mark. If you see it sort of drifting into the low 40s, again, that's sort of suggesting that the impetus is turning lower. But for now, it's just consolidation, really. Resistance 13,330 to 13,340 area. Resistance 350, but we are still essentially just waiting to see how the DAX gets driven by US markets as they open today, and the likelihood is that you're going to get the more considerable move on Monday. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to sign up for our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.